We always believe there is a kind of spirit, valuing every inch and penetrating into the product innovation. We always believe there is a kind of promise, persistently improving every working procedure and every production detail. We always believe there is a kind of dream, cherishing every customer and lighting up every corner of the world. In 2003, Zhejiang Master Injection aimed to march into the auto-electric fuel injection system field and was committed to the research and development, manufacture and service of auto-electric fuel pump, electric fuel pump assembly, auto VVT system. Nowadays, based on over 200 models of electric fuel pump cores, over 500 models of fuel pump assemblies, and over 100 models of VVT products. Our present annual capacity for fuel pump is 4.6 million sets, for fuel pump assemblies is 1.2 million sets, and for VVT products is 0.8 million sets. We gather industrial elites, build a product research and development team consisting of over 40 engineers, and set up a mode research and development center. Coupled with the design of complete independent intellectual proprietary rights, we strive to cope with the new product mode development, tooling design and manufacture. We introduce PLM product life cycle management and have comprehensively shortened the project development period. We design products with more advantages in structure, properties and costs for customers. Take all vehicle structures into consideration and inject all possible advantages into every product detail. Over 10 national patents of ours prove our innovation ability. To closely follow the overwhelming chain of intelligent manufacturing, we accelerate the pace of mechanization, automation, and information management system to be an intelligent factory. Introduce advanced manufacturing equipment and automatic production lines at home and abroad. The implementation of automatic production and inspection system realizes the seamless connection from components to finished products and lean production, and also greatly enhances product quality and production efficiency. We introduce PLM product life cycle management. Promote deep fusion of intelligent manufacturing and lean management. We are carrying out lean production and turning product creativity into reality. We will also rely on rigorous working procedures. to guarantee the quality, stability, and reliability of every product. We guard strict policies to our products, such as the 3,000-hour endurance test, 60-hour high and low temperature alternating test, and other 13 simulated operational environment tests. It is our equal emphasis on innovation and quality that wins the popularity for us in market. The product sales volume accounts for 20% in OE market and 80% in the overseas market. Our customers, covering 13 countries of 4 continents, are more than partners, but also our owner. Stand higher and aim further. We are interpreting our industrial leading capacity in real practice and showing our value creating sincerity with services. In the future, we will continuously blaze new trails, provide quality products for customers. We have been unremittingly proving that we are the well-deserved pacemaker in the auto-electric fuel injection field.